I never see this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see. Wonder, 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 wonder. In this episode, we'll be learning how to add runs to a normal chord progression, which is we'll be learning how to add chord progression to that 1-6-4-5 flute. But there's something I always play when I get to La. When we do, I add this D. So, in case you're wondering where that sound comes from, that's where it comes from. From La. So that's where it comes from. But then in this episode, we'll be learning how to add runs to that chord progression. And sorry about that D. If you look, D is very close to Re. And if you watch the episode where I talked about passing chords, I said whenever the note you are using to pass over is close to the note you are going to, it makes a very good passing chord or a passing note. So D is close to Re. I knew I was going from La to Re chord. Therefore, if I press this, it will sound good. You see that? So basically that's that. But that's not what we want to do in this lesson. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to add the runs you saw in the first part of this video when you just played it. Like, you can go back and watch it again. The runs you saw me do, that's what we'll be learning how to add to the left hand, our normal chord progression. And what are runs? Runs are just things you do, flashy things you do when the singer stops singing. Like, a singer won't keep singing all the time. They will sing, I never see this kind of girl before, wonder, 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 wonder. Then they take a break, giving you time to do your runs and your solos. So those runs is what I'll be teaching in the next few episodes, and teaching you how to add them to your left hand, because it's really tricky. It's the hand doing two different things, and it will require some hand independent skill for you to master. And it is that combination that I will do my best to explain. For those of you that know me, you know I love to explain to the nitty-gritty, right? So I'll do my best to explain, but these explanations won't be for free. You'd have to chat me up on Instagram. My handle is at the bottom of this video. Chat me up and I'll let you know. It's a very little token. It will be so easy for you to pay and just continue. So don't fret. Chat me on Instagram and we can move forward. See you soon.